Welcome to
Cooking with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine's Andrew.
Today we're going to scratch in Andrew's account and start a scratch account.
So today I'm going to show you my game called 2-Player Dinosaur Run. Okay. First, there are 2 players. Jump over the dinosaur.
So I am the green dinosaur.
And I'm the blue. Oh, player 1.
Am I
player 1? You're player 1. And you got 0 health, so stop. Okay.
I'm always so bad.
So first there's player 1, which is the green dinosaur.
Which
green T-Rex. Yeah, the green T-Rex. So the code is when up arrow key pressed. Now change Y by 160, so it'll go up. Wait 1 second, then change Y by negative 160, so it'll go back down. So the dinosaurs, which you have to jump and avoid as like obstacles, will go past you. You avoid this one, the red one, the bluish green one, and the
turquoise, I'll say maybe.
Okay. So when green flag clicked, it'll go its regular position. This is starting position for the player 1s, which is a T-Rex, because the players are the T-Rex. And they'll set the player 1 health, which is a variable, so 3. So that's your lives. And player 2 health to 3. Okay. So when green flag clicked, it'll forever loop. If touching enemy 1, which
if
is
it's touching any of the enemies, which is enemy 1, enemy 2, and up enemy 1,
it'll change player health by -1, so it'll lose 1 health, and then it'll wait 2 seconds so it won't like get your health way down so fast. So it's basically the same code for player 2. And here there's code. When green flag clicked, it'll forever. If player 1 health, which is variable,
either of the players
variable health is 0, then it'll stop. Also, you can't just care about your own because you have to care about both players.
Or else you'll both lose. So this is kind of like a team game.
Yeah, okay, and then enemy 1. So when green flag clicked, it'll go to starting position. So all the enemy starting positions are on the opposite side of the players. So when green flag clicked, it'll forever glide 2 seconds to over here. So go this way. Then it'll hide, because when it reaches the end, we don't want it to disappear forever. Then it'll go to its go to its starting position, and then show and repeat. So it'll keep going like this. Doot, doot, doot. That's the same for enemy 2 and up enemy 1, except it's different position. Now let's play. And we have a dinosaur.
Jurassic.
So I'm the blue one, and Kalia's the green one. Go.
The green one looks sloppy.
Okay. 1 and 1. Ooh. Okay.
Okay, you both got 0 at the same time.
Okay. Go. Boop. 2. Ah.
1.
It's like
no.
Okay. Boop. 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 Kalia always dies to the red one. You can't jump too early or you're gonna die. Okay. 2. I have 3. I have 2 now. You have 1. You always jump too early.
It's like I'm just repeating the same.
Okay, you need to jump when I jump. Okay, I want to say jump. 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 I think she jumps earlier because she's in front.
No, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter.
Okay, last time, okay?
Please don't.
Boop. I touched it. No, I've never lost. She always gets it. Even though I got 2 health first, then 1 health, then we both got 1 health because Kalia got hit by the up one and the long neck one, and then she went on the red one.
I always get the red one.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.